O Presiden ka National People's Party, o Conrad sama hakasngi palay ulaong bakaray ban atikat di Kyrtong nagbanta ka election MP na kaliang kaseng ka sa penmi hakapor ka Biang. Bar ula pensyai baka parti kumbala long menta kampat raya no ru. Habakali la ka NPP kan la ban kentai jaka pan tiket jong MLA berim jong ka umroy constituency baja ka ham saya bo penyaso no ka NPP na kaliang o Conrad ulaong baka sign partai kalong bayar bha bat ka jingwa jing tip ne ka jing trai kam kala stang na du ke kerdan ma pher ka baya long ka ju lang kumbale ki wei pat ki seng sign partai.
Exactly. See, it's a good sign. It shows that there is a lot of interest in the NPP. It reflects that there are a lot of people who are keen to contest on their party ticket. It shows that there's a demand for it, and it is a positive sign for us. That's how I see it. But yes, there are challenges, and obviously we have to carry everybody along. As I mentioned to you, and I stick to my point, that whenever we decide on anything, we normally would want to carry everybody along. We would like to take a democratic decision. We would like to take a consensus decision if possible. Sometimes it's possible, sometimes it's not. And so all the aspects that are there, we will definitely look into all of that. And we will definitely examine all the plus and minus of everything. But at the end of the day, there can only be one candidate. And we will take the decision when the time is correct and when we are able to take everybody on board and then take a decision. So therefore, I don't want to say anything about who's approaching whom or who's in the list or not list. These things are dynamic in nature and it will keep happening. But as I said, I stick to my simple point that we will decide what is in the best interest of the state and of the party.
But if that is the case, does the applicant has to join the political party? Because we have
it is normally the procedure that is required, because it would not be correct for party to give a ticket to somebody who has not joined the political party, and in fact that doesn't happen. So it is definitely a process that is followed in every political party, that you have to become a member of the party and then only you apply.
By when is it likely?
We will see. I will be, as I said, I will be having a national executive meeting at the national level to then ask the states to start the procedure of inviting the applicants who are interested for contesting the election, and then we will decide. So it will start soon, but exact date we have not decided yet.
November itself or December?
You are not denying that.
We will see. Sorry.
Can you say you are not denying that the NPP is approaching former MLA of Conrad?
No, as I said, this is a dynamic process, and neither am I denying anything or I'm disagreeing or anything like that. But I'm just saying that the process is on at different levels, and different discussions are taking place with different people. So that's all I can say. I think that happens everywhere. It doesn't happen in our party only. It happens at all parties, and we will see how things go.
So the High Command will take its decision.
See, it's always the case. People like to use the word high command, but you have to remember that ultimately how a party functions is what it matters. We have always believed in ensuring that we get a sense of what the grassroots wants. And once the grassroots process is heard, then we look at and map it with what the state and the people of the state would want. And then we would like to come to a decision as close as possible into looking at the grassroots workers and the party organization and what the public would want and what is the political scenario in the state. So it's a decision which requires multi-level assessment, and we should do that if we really want to give a strong fight. So that's what we're going to do. Again, same process. So individuals will apply, and whatever the case may be, we have our sitting MP who is there right now, and I am told that she is also keen to contest again, and therefore the party will decide based on applications that are brought in, and once the applications come in, then party will take it forward.